Hello, fabulous design enthusiasts. Welcome back to the space where your home decor dreams take shape, Decor Puzzle 2.0. Today, we delve deep into the realm of living room dividers, an essential tool in the modern interior designer's toolkit. We've prepared an extensive guide to help you navigate the world of living room divider ideas that can redefine your living spaces. Let's transform your living area into a canvas of creativity and functionality together. Living rooms are the heartbeat of any home, a place where families gather, friendships blossom, and moments are cherished. In the contemporary home setup, an open floor plan has become synonymous with modernity and elegance. But sometimes, carving out distinct spaces within this openness can create a richer, more nuanced environment. This is where room dividers shine, offering not just a functional separation of spaces, but also acting as a remarkable design element that can elevate your living room's aesthetics. Today, we're about to unravel various living room divider ideas that meld style with utility, offering a harmonious balance between openness and privacy. Embarking on this transformative journey, we have segmented these inspiring divider ideas into several categories, each having its own unique appeal. Let's give you a sneak peek into what's awaiting you in this detailed guide. 1. Furniture-based dividers. 2. Shelf and storage dividers. 3. Plant dividers. 4. Screen and panel dividers. 5. Curtain and fabric dividers. We will traverse each category, unraveling different ideas that bring a medley of functionality and aesthetics to your living space. Let's dig deep into each of them. Utilizing furniture as room dividers is not only ingenious, but also a budget-friendly approach to create distinct spaces within your living room. One of our first ports of call is the innovative back-to-back sofa arrangement. This setup fosters an intimate seating area that encourages conversation, making your living space a hub of warmth and camaraderie. When choosing sofas, consider the style, color, and textures to create a cohesive look. Next, we move on to console tables, a versatile piece of furniture that can work wonders as a room divider. Align them to act as a subtle partition. Accentuate with artifacts, indoor plants, or even a selection of books, adding a personal touch while clearly delineating different sections of the room. Another remarkable idea is to use cabinets and sideboards as dividers. These can serve as storage spaces while also acting as a visual and physical barrier between different functional areas. Let's sail smoothly into our next category of dividers. Shelves and storage units as room dividers marry functionality with style, creating defined spaces while offering ample storage solutions. Open shelving units stand as a popular choice, embodying transparency and elegance. These units let light and sightlines flow smoothly while offering a designated space to showcase your prized possessions or a curated selection of decorative items, adding depth and personality to your living room. For those who nurture a love for books, a sprawling bookshelf can serve as a haven for your collection while also segmenting the room gracefully. This idea is not just for bibliophiles but also for anyone who wishes to add a touch of intellect and sophistication to their living space. Another innovative idea is incorporating modular storage units. These units can be customized to fit your space perfectly, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic along with practical storage solutions. Moving on, let's introduce a breath of fresh air with our next category. Nature has a way of injecting life and vibrancy into any space. Let's see how we can bring a slice of nature into our living rooms. Green walls are emerging as a favorite among homeowners. These vertical gardens, flourishing with live plants, add a refreshing touch, bringing tranquility and a sense of well-being to your living space. You could opt for a variety of plants ranging from ferns to succulents, creating a living piece of art. Planter boxes stand as another excellent option. They can be aligned to form a green partition, adding a sense of freshness and vitality to the room. Experiment with different plants, maybe even adding some aromatic herbs to infuse your room with pleasant, natural fragrances. Hanging planters can also serve as beautiful and ethereal dividers. Suspend them from the ceiling in a row to create a floating green partition that is sure to captivate attention and become a conversation starter. Next, we venture into a category that brings versatility and elegance to the fore. Screens and panels are timeless classics when it comes to dividing spaces. Let's explore some contemporary takes on these traditional dividers. First up, we have folding screens, an epitome of flexibility. These screens come in a vast array of designs and materials, offering a portable solution that can be adapted according to your needs. Consider screens with intricate carvings or modern geometric patterns to add an artistic touch to your living space. Moving on to a more modern solution, glass panels. These panels maintain visual continuity while neatly segregating spaces. Consider frosted or tinted glass for a bit of privacy without compromising on the light and airy feel. Laser cut panels are another innovative option. These panels feature intricate designs cut into materials like metal or wood, offering not just a partition but also a piece of art that can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your living space. Let's gently transition into our next category, a symphony of softness and elegance. Sometimes, the soft whisper of a curtain can create a magical division that hard structures cannot. Let's weave this magic into your living space. Flowing drapes bring in an element of romance and softness. Choose fabrics that complement your decor, perhaps adding sheer curtains for a light, breezy feel, or thicker fabrics for a more pronounced separation. Beaded curtains stand as a trendy choice, offering a bohemian flair to your living space. These curtains add a sparkle of fun and creativity, and their gentle clinking sound adds an auditory dimension to the division they create. Lastly, we have canopy dividers, a dreamy setup that creates an intimate space within a larger room. A canopy can encapsulate a reading nook or a personal retreat, offering a slice of tranquility amidst your bustling living room. As we draw this journey to a close, we hope you've found inspiration and ideas to rejuvenate your living space with these creative divider options. Remember, a divider not only segregates spaces, but also offers a canvas to showcase your personal style and taste. We invite you to take these ideas and make them your own, creating a living space that is a perfect reflection of you. Thank you for joining us in this transformative journey through the world of living room dividers. We hope to see you again in our next episode where we continue to unravel the wonders of home decor. Until then, happy decorating!